The three demon brothers menacingly hovered over the heavens. Now these demons were not airborne in their wind chariots. They were floating in three separate flying cities. But how was that possible? Flying cities? Well, yes, these demons were the sons of mighty demon Tarka. Though Tarka was dead, his sons were becoming a threat. Long ago, by the austerity of their prayers, they obtained a boon from Lord Brahma. Overwhelmed by their prayers, Lord Brahma granted them these cities. 1 gold, 1 silver and 1 iron city for each one of you. Each city will have the capacity to fly as well. Lord Brahma blessed. Not only that, Lord Brahma was so pleased that he enhanced the boon by saying, I grant you such might that your cities can never be destroyed, unless they are struck by a single arrow, shot by a divine archer, and only when the cities are in a single line. The three demon brothers, instead of responsibly handling this boon, misused its power. Mentoring in a threat, never allowing their cities to be in one line. They took control of the three worlds. Now, challenging three flying cities was just about too much for the gods to handle. Frustrated beyond words, they formed an assembly and approached Lord Shiv. Help us, dear God. Life in heavens and earth is miserable because of these flying demon brothers with flying cities. Lord Shiv nodded. I will help. Thus, it was declared that Lord Shiv was the chosen archer. Meru was the shaft of his bow and Sheshnag was his bowstring. The earth was his chariot, the sun and the moon were its wheels. Lord Brahma was the charioteer and the 4 books of Ved were his horses. Lord Shiv waited for the cities to align in a single line. But the cities kept flying in different directions. Such was their will to survive. Lord Shiv could not shoot an arrow. Gloom cast an unhappy shadow all around. Listen, don't get disheartened, I have a plan, offered Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu carried out his plan. He took the form of a monk and visited the 3 cities. As a monk, Lord Vishnu started to give lectures on existence. He slowly gained fame as a wise and knowledgeable monk. The 3 demon brothers also heard of him. Right from the very first lecture they heard, the brothers were mesmerized by the monk. They intently began to attend the wandering monk sessions. Lord Vishnu taught the demons the doctrine of releasing their soul from worldly goods. The demons lost all the interest in the materialistic life. They did not bother to fly their cities in different directions. This was the moment the Devs were waiting for. One day, into a deep meditation by Lord Vishnu, and they did not realize that the 3 cities lay in a single line. The gods struck. Taking advantage of the situation, Lord Shiv drew his great bow. Do you know who was the arrow? None other than Vishnu himself. Well, yes, Lord Vishnu served as Lord Shiv's arrow. Lord Shiv twanged his bow and Lord Vishnu hit all the 3 cities, destroying them in an instant. As the victorious gods cheered, Lord Shiv smeared his body with the ash of cities on his body in 3 horizontal lines.